Everybody,
down and put it on the table.
my name is Two Kings. I'm gonna win this race, not you. This is online, everybody. I got first somebody on this. Hope I do this. Oh, I'm losing right now, but I will win. Oh, that was close. And if I crash the cars, they're gonna make me slow down. Then I'm gonna lose. So. I am not crashing. He just crashed, so I'm gonna win this. I am going to win this. I'm going to win this. I won. Yeah! I won, everybody. Okay, next round. He want payback, I see. Yeah, I'm gonna win again. This guy sucks. He's the suckest one on this game. Come on, try your best. Come and get me. He can't get me, guys. That was close. I almost crashed a car. I won both rounds. Cutscene, guys. That's all. I hate what they show them stuff. Okay. He sucked, guys. I got 2. He only got 0. He won no games. He won none of them. I'm telling ya, none of them. Okay. Let's get the next race started. They still showing that game. Oh, I just love it. Yeah. Okay. Start a new one. Let's see who my opponent is. Searching. Oh, okay. Come on, try your best. What the heck? No, I'm leaving this. Nuh-uh. Can't do that. When I just started, guys, my thing is like controlling wrong. I don't get that. He'll switch to another guy. It's so controlling wrong. I don't know how. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, try your best. It's nighttime. I'm gonna beat you in the nighttime. You crashed the car. These people when I first always crashing cars. Oh god, yeah, I'm gonna win, everybody. I am going to win. This guy not even close to me, and oh damn, I crashed that car. I saw that. He sucked. Let's get to the next. Let's do the next round.
2, 1, go, go, go.
You say go, go, go. I say go, go, go. Come on. Try your best to get me. Gonna win again either way. Maybe. This is only right. No, I think he's gonna win this. No, wait. Did he just disappear? Oh my god, that guy just disappeared. Oh, I'm gonna lose this. We just break together. I'm not winning. Oh, we passed the finish line the same time, but he's with the winner. This guy's cheating. I see you. You wanna cheat like that? If I lose this today, guys, oh my god, please I win this. Don't look like I am. He disappeared. He thinking he's gone. My car not that fast. Oh! Oh, yes! He... Bruh. Oh, come on! Oh, forget it. He gonna win either way. Oh, come on. Hey, don't say I'm a loser. I'm not a loser. Say lost, not loser. I'm really mad. I should hit rematch. Get him payback. But at least I won that first round. Okay guys, maybe 3 more games. I don't know how many games. It's just so fun. Well, come on. Oh yeah, we're still going to States. Oh, I'm versus United States people. Person.
2, 1, go!
Come on, try your best. I am not losing. Will I lose here? I need to upgrade my car in one day. So that's what the problem is. What happened to... Oh my god. I'm getting sick and tired. They keep being like invisible and then they come back. What the heck? I can't do that. How they do it. Yes! I'm gonna win this. He crashed. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win, everybody. I'm gonna win. And I did. Let's see all the payback you got. Hey, I see the man inside there. Well, I already know the man inside there. What I'm talking about. Come on, try your best. Come on, 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 come on. You're not gonna win. I am gonna win. Please crash. No. Ooh, that was close. This guy hanging on. This guy hanging on. Stop it. I keep thinking he crashing while he keep invisible. Keep being invisible. Can you please move? Gosh. I am winning this. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. No. What? Ah. Come on.
2, 1, go!
Whoa. Whoa. This car is tricking us today. Come on. I need payback. Really payback. I will never win another game ever. No. Yeah, he crashed too. We're gonna win. Yes. Yes. We're gonna win. We are going to win. I thought I was gonna lose there, guys, but I won. did it. Okay, guys, it's gonna be my last one, okay? Okay. Are you ready? Let's hit start. Let's go. Okay. Michael. Last game, guys, okay?
1, go.
Go! Oh, come on, Michael. Such a real name, though. Could you put your real name on this? I won't do it, though. Yes, I'm gonna win. Michael sucks. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's not GTA. Like Michael in GTA. I'm gonna win. I am going to win. I won. Ooh. Yeah, Michael, take that.
3, 2, 1,
Yeah,
go, go,
it's the
go.
one for the wheel, guys. Just the last chance for y'all. Ew, I'm inside him. Ew, I can't see. I can't see. Ah, that was weird. He needs to get out of me. I'm better with this. I'm better doing this, I guess. Because I'm ripping it out. If I crash. Get outside of me. Gonna win this, guys. No! Dang. I lost at the last chance ever. Wait a minute. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. We got one more chance. I got one more chance.
1,
So we're not doing the wheel this time. My bad. He keep going inside me. I keep seeing him messing me up. Michael, you. Okay, I see you. Bruh. I am not losing. I can try to mess him up. Wow. So I'm invisible. Please don't start doing that. I'm gonna lose. Okay, guys, I guess. Hate that. So that'd be all for this video today. Can't believe I lost that. So, bye bye, everybody. Bruh.